This launch will be marked by this milestone.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much.
We have the National Social Security Fund here as well. This is the Tanzanian Social Security Fund, National Social Security Fund. First of all, those are savings. The pension fund are essentially savings of the people of that respective nation. And you must grow the savings. So by you taking that bold step to come and invest here, you are sending a message that, one, you want to use the savings and grow the savings of the people of Tanzania prudently so that you can expand that base. And on our part, you are teaching us a lesson that we can also do the same.